take any of the good Japanese cars.
In half a mile, take the Park Avenue
Even
exit toward
Ford is good too. Ford is good too. Chevy. Give me a car that I can rent.
Take the Park Avenue exit.
Alrighty. Park Avenue exit. I guess this is the one. The sign was hidden behind trees. Why would you do that?
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Park Avenue.
Okay. I shall do that.
Turn left. In a quarter mile, turn left.
Ooh. But you don't need to. That's because left would be Costco gas station, but we're gonna go here real quick because hopefully it's still okay at this time. It's about 10:30, so 10:30 hopefully would still be okay for shopping. Maybe, I don't know. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's way too busy. So we'll see. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Anyway, we're gonna see the district, and I love this place. We have some really good plazas where we can shop. Anyway, here we go. Costco coming up. And why not? You get to see the sign right here. Anyway, this was your local Google guide from Irvine, California, Woodbridge. And this was the route from Pacific Dance to Costco. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon, hopefully in another video. Wait, is that a spot? Is that a spot? No, it's not a spot. It's somebody's leaving on there. I'll just take that one. Come on.
Head south.
Thanks for leaving. Thank you. What? Okay, see you next time.